Naka-record na ba? Okay. Let's do this. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aldrin Samson. I'm a filmmaker, photographer based in Los Angeles. Proud to be Filipino. So, I have in front of me of this amazing. Okay, so right now, gagawin natin unbox natin to. Sony ZV-1. It is made for vloggers. So, sa mga gusto mag-start ng vlog dyan, hindi ako vlogger. So, let's see kung anong laman sa loob bago nyo bilhin. Papers, wind muff, USB cable, battery. Same battery as the RX 100 series. So, yan lamang ng box. So, disclaimer. It is not sponsored by Sony or anything. Sarili kong pera to. So, Sony, baka naman. Pwedeng pa-sponsor naman. Since I'm a loyal fan. Okay, yung binili ko kasi is the vlogger's kit. So may kasama siyang, I think it's perfect kasi mura ko lang siya nabili. Pagka binili nyo ngayon, pre-order until June 26 yata, may discount kayo. So it's okay to buy kasi parang bili ko lang yung handle, sobrang mura, like 50% off sa handle. So yung memory card na nakasama, so that's good. Okay. So ito yung guide kung paano siya gamitin. Oh come on Sony, a box and a box, cute. Kasi siguro para may lagayan SD card. 270 read, write speed is 70. Then this is the GP VPT 2BT. Come on Sony, pwede mo naman tawagin na Bluetooth grip to second version. O kaya Bluetooth Grip 2. Mahilig naman kayo sa mga ganun. Box natin to. Ooh. Paperworks. Oh. May pouch siyang kasama. Tosh. Yan. Battery pouch. So, yay! Actually, meron ako nung isa nito. Yung the first version. Yung mas maliit dito, pero ito kasi Bluetooth, wireless, so ginawa ko na din. I had to justify na kukunin ko talaga siya. So, it's a perfect partner. Screw it in. Yeah! And ang pinakabagong feature nito is shining flip out screen. The first flip out screen by Sony. Ganda. So, ang problema lang dito is kapag meron kayong grip, kailangan nyo tanggalin yung grip para malagay yung battery. Kasi ewan ko Sony, anong ginawa nyo, bakit ganyan, anong inisip nyo, kasi yung door is nasa mount. Come on Sony, come on, should hire me next time. Okay, let's insert the battery. And SD card and batteries that's on the same slot. So ito lang exclusive na gagamitin ko para dito. Maganda dito UHS 2. Okay, so let's plug this in. The whole setup for vlog. I don't know bakit ko siya binili. Maganda dito. Let's turn it on. Voila. Wow. So, ang lens na to is a fixed lens, 2470. Para lang siyang kasing RX 100 fixed lens, but this one is 2470, parang RX 100 Mark V. So right now, I'm shooting Sony ZV-1 with the handle. This is a 1-inch sensor, katulad ng mga RX. Para lang siyang digicam. Ooh, magic! So I'm using Sony a7 III with the Sigma 16mm f1.4 at 1.4 and the Sony ZV-1 with f1.8. So could you tell the difference? They are basically the same frame using 24mm equivalent. I'm on APS-C mode on Sony a7 III, and what you think? And it's a lot heavier. Look at my setup. That's my setup. And ang bigat. While this, you can see. So this is my setup. Gang. So what else? Could you see the difference? Could you tell the difference? Oh, bigat na. Could you tell the difference? Could you tell the difference? Vlogging with Sony a7 III 60mm f1.4 and the Sony ZV-1 2.8 1.8 2.8, sorry. Damn. It's a really good camera. So tomorrow, shoot ako ng biro using this camera and telling you the specs. So right now it's only an unboxing and a little bit of information. So would I recommend this to new vloggers? Para sa akin, 6400 is mas maganda. Pero kung gusto mo lang ng compact, madaling gamitin, sa bulsa mo lang, ayaw mo ng kapalit ng lens, to go for this. But I would not recommend getting this. Okay lang yung mga normal na handle, so you could save lots of money by buying this lang. Alright, that's it guys for unboxing. So kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, huwag niyo kalimutan, please like, comment, share, subscribe para sa future videos, and turn on that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. And kita-kits tayo ulit next time. Peace! Alright guys, welcome back to my box lang